Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through the sleep mode settings on your Fitbit Inspire 2 activity tracker. So the sleep mode is kind of a tricky setting. When you have this on, notifications and reminders are muted. Your screen's brightness automatically adjusts to dim. Now you can do that stuff on your own, but in sleep mode it's always going to be on dim. And then your screen's going to stay dark when you turn your wrist towards you. So no more tilting your wrist to see what time it is at nighttime. You have to manually press the buttons or turn on the screen in order to see the time. We're going to walk through the settings for it, and then I'm going to show you just quickly how you can put it in sleep mode. So to get to our settings, as always, we're going to have to turn on our screen, and we're just going to swipe all the way down until we get to settings. Now once we're in settings, we're going to swipe up until we get to sleep mode. We're going to select that, and we've got a couple of different options. You can turn it on or off. You can schedule it on or off. And if you have schedule on, you'll notice that it opens up the sleep interval where you can enter your start time for sleep and your end time for sleep. You can adjust this accordingly by clicking on it. So if you go to bed at, I don't know, 9:53 p.m., that's when your watch will automatically go into sleep mode, and then you can end it again at whatever time you want to. So in my case, it's 6 a.m. You don't have to use a schedule. If you don't want to use a schedule, you can simply turn the schedule off, and now it basically won't go into sleep unless you manually put it into sleep. If you put schedule on, it's going to go into sleep mode automatically on the schedule. So that's one thing. That's your sleep settings. The other thing, though, is from any watch face, if you press and hold the two side buttons, that'll take you into your quick settings. If you swipe up, you can always put your watch on sleep mode manually. So it's kind of depends on your settings. Some people just like putting it to sleep when they go to bed. Some people like using the settings and setting it on a schedule so that it does it automatically based on their bedtime. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. As always, if you've got any questions about using the sleep mode or anything else on your Fitbit Inspire 2, post them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.